This is the new hydrogen fuel cell Chevy Equinox by GM. GM's not slated to have a production hydrogen car until 2014 at the earliest, but they've given us the opportunity to check out their new concept SUV. So as you can see inside this car, it looks just like any other car. You shift gears the same way, you turn it on the same way, it even has sat-nav. The biggest differences are really under the hood.
When you're out cruising on the highway, you're cruising on the highway. Again, the difference is you're not using gasoline. Gasoline isn't being burned. You don't have carbon emissions because there's no burning going on. And we were talking back there when we were stopped and sort of at the back of the car when the engine was on, it smelled like kind of a musty, funny, almost French fry smell. But it's just water vapor.
The fuel cell Equinox works by combining hydrogen and water to create electricity here in this fuel cell. That electricity is then used to power the electric motor.
Really, for the first time in 100 years, you got a vehicle here that is being propelled not by an internal combustion engine. No pistons, no rings, no cylinders, just an electric motor.
Now, there are some serious setbacks with hydrogen technology.
A, you have to hunt for a station because it's very hard to find hydrogen, obviously. And B, you're going to do it a little bit more often because the tanks hold about 200 miles worth of hydrogen, so you'd have to go a little bit more frequently.
Now, could you see yourself driving a car like this every day?
I'd drive a car like this every day in a heartbeat if it were available, affordable, and I could get the fuel I needed. And if I didn't have to work at it.
This car really can work every day. It can work just like an internal combustion engine. But until we find solutions to the major problems, that's never going to happen. We need easily accessible hydrogen fuel. We need pumps in every city. We need affordable hydrogen technology. And until that happens, it's never going to overtake the internal combustion engine.